Today I will show you my Dream Supermoto build. Exactly what I've done to it, how much this crazy looking decal kit costs, and these white rims with the spacious hollow hub, aka the fidget spinner hubs. So before this video starts, I just wanted to make things clear. My name is Isak Tillbach and a lot of you guys probably come from my Instagram. Therefore, I've decided to shoot my shot at English content. Should be real fun. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, so this is how my ugly ass bike looked like when I bought it. All stock and really beat up. With only a few weeks left until the summer came to Sweden, I decided to change that. First off, I stripped it down to the frame. From here it was a blank canvas. I started with cleaning everything. I wanted this bike to be spotless. Bruh. After cleaning the engine, I began to polish it. The contrast between chrome and black is just... In order to give new life to the crusty old frame, I decided to go cheap and quick in this scenario by wrapping the frame in matte black. I thought this could bring a cool effect between the matte black frame and the glossy black parts. Later I bought a nasty looking HGS exhaust and a FMF power core silencer from my friend Leo. Polished the exhaust and cut the silencer into a wannabe shorty. Then the actual rims arrived that'll take this bike to the next level. White rims with black spokes and hollow hubs and nipples. With the white rims, obviously I got white plastics to go with them, but a plain ass bike like this gets boring fast. So I ordered a next level graphics kit from Home Designs, and this is what they cooked up for me. To top this off, I got a seat cover with holographic stripes, something I've never seen before, but unfortunately this seat cover had absolutely no grip at all. Instead I got a one gripper seat. There you have it, my Dream Supermoto build. Tell me guys what you think about it in the comments. If you have any questions or video ideas that you would like to see in the near future, then leave a comment. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so I know that you guys enjoy the content. And guys, we're actually so close to passing this guy, so go sub right away to show him who's in charge.